Job offer rescinded and blacklisted from a recruiting agency because I had the gall to ask to see the company's employee benefits and for the title of the role to be changed back to the one that was advertised to me.
So this person had a job advertised to them at a specific, I guess a recruiter reached out to them and said, "Hey, here's going to be your title. Here's a job." And they asked to make sure that that was their title, and they asked to see what the benefits package would be. And this was their response. I regret to inform you that your offer of employment from Stupid Company has been revoked. The entire Stupid Company team and myself were extremely excited to extend the offer to you at the beginning of this week. That said, requests for a change in title, written approvals for extended time off, and overall demeanor on the calls to discuss the offer with myself, Stupid Company employee, and the Stupid Company HR manager have left a poor taste in the Stupid team's mouth, and they do not feel comfortable having you on their team at this time. Negotiation during any offer is normal. Having questions about what benefits look like is normal. But the demands for seeing the full benefits, which are private documents of Stupid Company, title changes, and written pre approval for vacations that will take 9 months from now, are not. Additionally, once this process is wrapped up, Stupid Recruitment Company has made the decision to discontinue its partnership with you as a potential future candidate and will not be presenting your resume to any of our other clients moving forward. Wow. So, sounds like this person was doing them a favor by letting them know that, hey, I'm gonna take some leave about 9 months into my work. So here's FYI, just making sure that you understand that. And I'm wondering what the company is calling full benefits. So if I'm a potential employee looking for a job at a company, the benefits package is a significant portion of the compensation. It is a significant portion. For example, am I going to have to spend $100 a week, $200 a week, $300 a week, $400 a week on insurance, or $0 a week? What does that look like for me? How many days off am I going to get? And what is the process for me getting those days off? Those things, what does my 401k match? What other perks and benefits do I have for leave, like maternity leave, paternity leave? Those things are legitimate things for a potential employee to need to see at a company. And I don't need to see the documentation, but I need to know exactly what the policies are. And just asking for seeing the full benefits, which doesn't necessarily mean you need documents, is not is not an unreasonable request. It's like saying, as this top comment said, that what else is private? The salary? The benefits are the compensation. Along with your salary, the benefits are the salary. Are you going to say that the job description is proprietary now? Oh my gosh. You have to sign the job offer to find out what's in it, is what somebody commented. Loot box benefits. It's like here's an imaginary box that you get to open whenever you decide that you're going to work at our company. And that will tell you what your compensation will be. No, your compensation, your compensation includes your benefits. So, no, I'm not going to make a decision on whether or not I'm going to work for your company without having a good idea of what the benefit structure is. And the fact that this recruiter does not get that is sad. And the fact that this company does not get that is sad. And guess what? I'm looking at the camera for this one. You're going to struggle to hire people, or you're going to hire people and they're going to become disgruntled and they're going to be more likely to leave early. So, what does that mean? Your turnover rate is going to be higher. So get with the times. I mean, this isn't even getting with the times. This is like not being stupid. So, anyways, this is ridiculous. This one was ridiculous. So, if any of you have a similar situation, I hope not. But that's crazy.
Chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.